Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So we're still going through our introduction to motors. We've done quite a bit now of the motors and hopefully you've experimented as well. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how we can put it into a loop and we can actually get the Asuro to start to do some fun or crazy things. So what we're going to do in this video is we will get the Asuro. Let's get him to spin left and right on a loop. So what we'll do is we'll get him to spin to the right with the right back light on. So the back LEDs, the backlight, we'll get that to turn on and get the Asuro to spin towards the right. And then we'll get Asuro to spin to left with the left back light on. Meaning turn off the right one, turn on the left one, spin towards the left. And then we'll get it to do that on a loop continuously. Cool. That's not how you spell continuously. There's an unknown word. Yeah, that's fine. Doesn't matter. Oh, it's gonna bug me. Let's Google it. Continuously. I missed out a U. Hey, I write computer code. I don't do spelling. Okay, cool. So what we can do is we can get rid of all of this code, but what I'll do is I'll just delete all of it up to here. Right, let's get rid of these comments. We're still going to use our I variable. We're still going to initialize the microcontroller. We're going to turn the status LED green. We'll get the Asuro to drive forward. Okay, so in order to get it to spin, think about it, right? Currently, right now, we're getting the Asuro to drive forward. Both the right motor and the left motor are going to go forward. If we wanted the Asuro to spin, then what we could do is we could actually get the right motor to stay still, right, at 0 speed, for example, and then we could get the Asuro to brake the whole right motor, and then the Asuro will just stay still and spin towards the right, right? So I suggest try that. I'm not going to do this, so I'm going to do it a different way, but this would be more of a controlled way. I'm looking to try and have a little bit of fun with this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to set it to reverse, and I'm going to set it to 150. Let's set this to 150. What we're saying here now is we're going to get the Asuro to sleep for 900 milliseconds, right? And since the Asuro is going to be turning towards the right, let's get the back LEDs up. Let's get the left one off and the right one on. Cool. So now the Asuro is going to spin. It's going to be a bit of a crazy spin because the right motor is going to be reversing and the left motor is going to be going forward. And they're both going to be doing it at the same speed with the back LED on. Cool. So now, once after 900 milliseconds, let's get the Asuro to do the opposite. All right, so we'll copy all of this. So let's turn the status LED red, right? Then we'll get the left motor to reverse, and we'll get the right motor to go forward. Do that at the same speed. Let's get this, the right side of the back LEDs off, turn the left one on, do it for 100 milliseconds. Now, currently this code, it will do what? It will run this whole code once and then finish, right? So what do we obviously need to do? While one, there you go. So now we've got the whole thing in a while loop. And yeah, so let's have a look at how that looks. So I really would suggest, practice with this code. Go through it, play with it, try do different things. In particular, one thing that my lecturer at uni used to always say is try break it, and I do agree with that. Try and break the code, try and see what you can do. See what happens when you change this to 300. See if it works. You'll be surprised, especially because we're actually dealing with actual hardware. The Asuro is an actual robot, right? And we're not just running this code in the console. You see all sorts of crazy things. So I definitely suggest practicing this code. You can see the Asuro, it spins like crazy, and you can create all sorts of dance routines. There's actually a YouTube video where this guy's got, I think it's a bunch of Azuros dancing, or maybe one. I'm not sure, but the videos, I can't remember exactly, but the videos, it made me chuckle when I first saw it. What I'll do is I'll try to find the video and I'll link it down below. Um, or maybe I'll even show it here as well. So yeah, definitely give it a go, practice, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.